tonight?
I'm great, man.
What brings you to H&P?
I like to come out and see the drag racing because I like fast cars and I have one myself. And I enjoy myself when I come down here. The only thing I will complain about, y'all need to fix that driveway. That's all I have to say.
Okay, you said the driveway, you talking about the front.
Yeah, we're coming in.
Okay.
It's real rough. Like, you came in the same way we did. You see how them hoes.
Okay.
Hot.
Now, you know, I'm from up north. You got to dumb it down for me a little bit.
Okay.
Now, you said you got a car.
Yeah?
You said you got a car. You got to dumb it down to me. You know, I mean, what kind of car you got?
I got a nice. I got a Ford Mustang. And I got a 95 Chevy pickup. But hey, man, no matter what kind of that road.
I mean, okay.
Whether you got a Hoosier or a limo or what, but that road is rough, buddy. I ain't let the road stop me from coming, so I enjoy coming down here.
Okay.
If they don't fix it, I'm gonna fight with the hoes.
He's from Texas. Love to come down here, love to see fast cars. Like to see a friend of mine. What, Junior? What do we call him? What we call baby boy? Alley Cat. And
Oh, wait, hold on now. Wait a minute. Now, you know I gotta go there. You know, I'm from up north. Y'all, you gotta dumb me down.
the guy that running.
Now, how you gonna come to this race and don't know who he is?
No, we got the other racer, Jay.
No, we talking. I mean, yeah, Alley Cat,
Yeah,
Sam.
Alley Cat.
He runs this. This is something to do every year.
Yeah.
You know, so you're gonna be here. You gonna come in for the lock-in too, right?
Oh yes, sir. I'm gonna lock my money in too.
Okay.
All the little money I got in my pocket, we gonna lock it up.
Where am I from? Up north? That way.
He from
I'm
Dallas.
from Chicago.
I thought you were from Dallas.
Oh no, Dallas. We like the old state of Texas.
Oh, okay.
It's wonderful down. It's great down here. So, what can you say about the track? Tell me about the track.
Track is real good.
Okay.
What I hate is the Mickey cars, and they got to stop and mop up for 2 hours.
Okay.
You know, I think all of them should have pampers. You know, they stop all the leaks in the water tripping.
You know, you can't make that mandatory. It's just like trying to take the
You
AR
can
away.
make it mandatory. Most places do.
I mean,
The
it's
one
like
in Ennis-
it's like trying to take the guns away of the AR.
See, one in Ennis, Texas, they make you wear a pamper.
Which one? Oh, in the Ennis.
Yes.
Oh, okay, the Motorplex. Texas Motorplex.
And they make you wear a pamper. If you ain't got a pamper, you can't get on the track.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so why it ain't no different here.
And see, that's when you tell them guys that they go through the inspection stalls back here. They can't race down the track today.
If they
That's
beat
good. They're gonna inspect them cars before they're gonna get them on the track.
Well, you ain't got nothing out here tonight, do you?
Oh no, sir. I'm just out here enjoying myself.
Just out here enjoying yourself?
Yes, sir.
You gonna bet a little money?
Oh yes, sir.
Okay, now you know who to look out for now, right?
Yes, sir.
Somebody come over with a not that big, you probably just
My eye gonna get big.
your eyes just gonna get big. I want to
gonna
thank
get
you.
big.
I want to thank you for letting me interview you, and I
No
appreciate
problem,
you,
sir.
and thank you again.
And I will look at you on the website.
Oh yes, no
And
doubt.
I will like it.
Okay, I appreciate that.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you all to H&P tonight.
Coming to see my cousin race, Ben Armstrong, supporting him.
Okay, Ben Armstrong is your cousin. Okay, what is he? What class is he racing in?
You're riding a Mustang.
Is he a grudge racer or is he a class racer?
Class race.
Okay.
9 tonight.
Okay. Oh, okay. So he's going to be in a shootout. Excuse me.
Yeah.
He's going to be in a shootout. Well, look at that. So tell me about the track. Tell me a little bit about H&P. Is this your first time here?
It's
Or?
my first time.
Yes, first time.
Okay, now you know that first impression is always going to be in their mind forever. I hope we set a good example down here at H&P. We're a little strict down here because many different reasons, but one of many that I can say is if you start letting people do certain things, then everybody want to do it. You know, and you can't make exceptions for exceptional people. You know, you all are like VIPs. I mean, you all are VIPs. What am I talking about? I have the VIP hats and everything. Look at me. I got to make sure I get myself together here, right? I thank you all for letting me interview you, and you all have a good night tonight.
Appreciate you.
Yes, sir. Thank you. Yes, sir.
get out the back of it, then the tray, but get the. Well, who gonna do it?
How y'all doing tonight, man? What's going on? What y'all got? What kind of race y'all got tonight?
We don't know yet.
Ain't nobody said nothing to y'all?
Not yet.
What? They come down here looking like this. Nobody says nothing. Maybe that's why. By yourself?
Yeah.
What happened to the crew?
Well, Joe, his wife Paula, she's kind of ill a little bit, so he stayed home with her.
Okay.
And my helper Devin, he had a baby. The baby's been cranky all day.
Right.
You know.
So you all out here by yourself today,
I'm
huh?
here by myself.
Ooh, look at this paint job. Glycerin. Glycerin, yes it is. What class you running in tonight?
I don't know. Just testing it too. Just trying to find somebody.
Oh, what about a little grudge match? What about a little grudge?
Find somebody.
Y'all heard that now. Mr. Jimmy Johnston. Y'all better look out now. Jimmy don't mind. You don't mind. Got Dan, Mitch.
That's all Joe doing that. Yeah, he's my carburetor guy.
Yeah, no doubt.
These holes were his idea.
Okay.
It was, we made him a vortex, pulling fuel out of the carburetor,
Okay.
and we bogged down
Okay.
up on the big end. And we tried for a year almost trying to figure out what the hell was causing it. I was talking to Dan, and he asked me what kind of hood scoop I had. And I told him, he said, just drill some holes in the back of it.
Oh,
See the holes back there?
yeah, I see it.
Just to let some of that air pressure out. Because it was creating so much pressure, it would pull the fuel out of the carburetor as I'm going into the starter. We did that, and it had a problem one day. Damn smart.
Adi? I'm fine. How are you tonight? Good luck tonight. Yes, sir. Ooh, that's a nice car. Ooh, she nice. She real nice. Y'all just want to try something. I think you pulling my leg. And he driving too.
Yeah, we're gonna see what we can do. Test hits out here, man.
Uh-oh. Let me look up at this pretty car. You don't mind, do you?
Nah, I don't mind, nah, man.
Where you putting it?
Just right there on the bar, on the sway bar. Yeah. Oh, sway bar. You got it? You gonna raise it up?
That's pretty, man.
Yeah, we do it. Oh, thank you, man.
That's pretty, man.
All right. All right, man.
Try to.
You ain't never too young to drink, Grace. Never too young. Good luck to you tonight, brother. Yes, sir. This is Texas style, y'all.
Texas style. Here with it.
What's your name?
My name is Nasa.
Oh, no, that's right.
Nasa
Thank you.
Ewing.
Mm.
Let me cover it up.
Now, you know, everybody got to have a grudge name, man. What's your grudge name, man?
We call badass, man.
Uh-oh, y'all. The
Yeah.
badass,
We
y'all.
badass out here.
Uh-oh.
man.
You know they're going to pick on you. You know they're going to pick on you
We
tonight.
coming up, you know.
You ready?
Yeah.
You ready for this picking on? They're going to pick on you tonight.
I'm ready as I'm going to be.
Uh-oh.
If they sit like me, we can do it.
Uh-oh.
You know?
I know that's right. You said the right word. They sit like you.
That's it.
All right. Nice turnout, ain't it?
Oh, yeah. Nice.
There goes trouble. Yeah, I seen not trouble Troy, but I seen some other kind of trouble.
Put that one there on camera right there, right here. Put him on camera.
On this guy here,
Most wanted, yeah.
he the most wanted.
Yeah, the feds looking for him.
What's going on, man?
How you doing,
The
man?
feds looking for him.
Feds looking for me.
What's going on, Doc?
Shit, I hope they don't catch me.
What's going on, cuz?
All right, what's happening?
You on film now?
I'm on film?
Yeah.
Okay, that's all
What
right.
you got to say about today?
Man, it's gonna be good. I hope. I'm surprised it wasn't more
Oh, he coming.
coming. I'm glad we beat the Russians. Yeah.
Hey.
All right.
Yeah, where y'all at?
Oh, we right down here.
Okay.
Yeah, we right down here. Y'all close to the gate so y'all can get out.
Yeah. Right.
There goes trouble. What up, Nikki?
What's up, man?
I said, there goes trouble.
What's up, man? You all right? Oh, yeah.
What you say, man?
We dealing out nothing but ass. Ass whoopings. Don't take no pictures, because then you going to know who did it.
Now, what car y'all behind? What car you behind?
Both over there.
Both of them, huh?
Both of them.
Uh-oh. Bernie got a lock in?
What?
Bernie got a lock in?
Trying to lock out a motherfucker. Fuck locked him in.
Uh-oh.
Now, you know if somebody want their ass whooped, let's lead them this way. And we gonna say you the reason.
What's going on, Bernie?
What's up?
How you doing today, man?
Good. Hey. How you been?
I've been all right. How about yourself?
Good. Good to see you.
Thank you, likewise.
Can't see.
Now tell me about this car over here, Vernon.
One of the original OGs.
Okay.
From Porter, back in the day.
All right. What year was this?
Probably in the late 70s, 80s,
Okay.
90s.
Okay.
We used to run out at Rankin Road.
Right behind the strip club, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
We would just run off of Holmes Road, the airport, in the hole. Back in the day when Carl Perkins was running, street racing, Scream on them out of South Park, Jarvis, and just the whole crew.
Jarvis too, I remember that.
Jarvis, Sam, Alley Cat.
Yeah. Tell me about this one. Tell me about this car. You said it's original.
Basically, yeah, it's the original car. Basically, I just redone it. Been sitting in the garage. And I decided to just pull it out.
Okay.
And, go through it from front to back.
All right, y'all gonna grudge this thing tonight?
Yeah, we gonna grudge it.
Uh-oh. John.
Hello, baby.
How you doing, man?
How you doing, sir?
When you coming back?
Maybe 6 months.
Okay, next 6 months. We got some action in 6 months. More pressure now, huh?
Oh, yeah.
Same car?
No, Ricky, car.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I remember that, but you never was able to put it back?
No. Got another one. It's coming. It's coming. Pretty soon. 6 months.
Okay.
Everything go well.
Okay, buddy. I look forward to seeing this car tonight. Vernon, good luck to you, man. John, it was good to see you, brother.
Yeah, bud, good to
Take
see
care
you,
of yourself. Yes,
All right,
sir.
you know where
Y'all
we
got
at?
a picnic coming up, ain't it?
No, we had a car show.
A car
but,
show picnic, what was it, block club party?
No, that might be another group. We
Okay.
just do the one at the church.
Oh, okay.
But you know where we in the back.
Y'all in the back right now? Okay, cool. Oh, yeah? Okay. Are you on your way over there now?
No, I just left from back there.
Yeah.
But you know where it is.
Vernon Shotwell. How are you today?
Hey, I'm doing great.
What's your name?
Joy.
Joy, do you have a website?
No, I'm
No
super,
Facebook, nothing like that?
super new, almost like my first day. So, I'm just out here serving everybody, serving out some love, some fresh
Tell me what is this?
So this is a watermelon aguas frescas.
Okay.
Fresh watermelon, fresh water, lime. It's really, really delicious. And
Okay.
refreshing.
Okay. You use a whole watermelon, a half watermelon? Or you're not telling the secret?
I use about 2 watermelons
Wow, for that one.
per long jug. So 1 watermelon per jug.
Got it. How long have you?
Lime water, fresh lime juice.
Is this something you just started doing, or you've been doing it for a while? Or
I've been doing it on a really small level, and now I'm trying to branch out, get a little bigger.
Okay.
So website, Facebook, things coming. The name is going to be Cordell's Kitchen.
Okay.
After my oldest son, I lost him a year ago.
I'm sorry to hear that.
It's named after him.
Yes. Real quickly, this stuff is really good.
Really delicious.
I've had it, and it's really good, and I don't know what more to say about it because it's really refreshing.
It is.
It's really refreshing.
On a hot day. It's
Yeah.
really, really refreshing.
Okay. All right. So we're gonna be looking for you again. Your name again?
Joy,
And we call it
Cordell's Kitchen.
Cordell's Kitchen. You all better not forget that.
Yes. It's gonna be
Everybody know who he is. He gonna put his head down. Well, this is what I'm gonna do. You put your head down. How about that? Close it up. race tonight?
I hope so. Right.
Somebody said you're gonna grudge race tonight.
Find somebody else.
I got the one and only Alley Cat Sound right in front of me. Alley Cat, tell us about your race tonight,
Hey,
man.
we out here at HMP Houston Motorsports Park, 11620 North Parkway. We out here at the annual lock-in. Kind of changed the format up. We're not doing 7.0 and 580. We just got a back half, old school back half. We got a 8-car shootout. We got a 4-car shootout. And then we got a grudge racing after that. We're going to see how that platform works out. And we're going to stick to it.
Hey, you know you're 10-0. You know you're 10-0, right? You had 10 races, no damn rain.
Hey.
How is that possible, man?
Thank you, Jesus, that the weather looks wonderful out here. It's hot, but hey, as long as it ain't raining, it can get hot as it want out here.
I appreciate you, Alley Cat Sound,
All right.
and good luck to you
Take care.
tonight. Thank you, sir.
Appreciate it, man. Take care.
Thank you, Brother Nick. How you doing today? Oh, Bubba Griffin. ass.
Get to the motherfucker back! Get to the man! You believe that? Get to it! Get to the man! Come down here! Come to the floor! Get the boys out of there so they don't put you down! I'm not that car. What I just seen, your boys running up there with that great car. What? Yeah, they want that smoke. Hey, he said bet that dollar. Hey, you got a dollar bet over here. You got a dollar bet. Hey, you got a dollar bet over here.
I don't give a damn about none of that.
Hey, you got a dollar bet over here.
I can bet
Hey, you got a dollar bet over here.
I don't need no water.
Hey, why you talking
I don't need no to your daddy, boy. I don't need no water. To your daddy right now. You gonna keep that same energy when y'all get your ass ran over. Keep that same goddamn. Hey, I like over there. Get your ass ran over. Hey, I like over there, man. Keep that same energy. Get your ass ran over. I do something I got a dollar.
Hey, I like over there.
Hey, it's not that I don't got 500, but I ain't gonna bet it on that.
Hey, I like over there.
I'm in the camp already.
I bet look like $100. Boom! I'm set up here. Hey, I'm set up. They're gonna miss the boom. They're gonna miss the boom right now.
That's what we finna do. Nasty finna fuck up. They just let me. Nasty finna.
They prep the track up.
Hey, motherfucker nightmare. And I'm saying that shit ain't right.
Come on now. Come on, man.
I said it, I meant it.
You gotta do better than that.
Come on, man. Come on now. You can't talk about Nightmare them like that,
Fuck
man.
nightmare. He don't want to get me.
Come on now.
OG motherfucker. Bad motherfucker.
Yeah, washed up motherfucker to me.
Hey, Smooth. Whether you washed up or not, it can't take that title, man.
You can't take that OG title. They know he can't take that. They know he can't take that. They know he can't take that.
Title I already took. How the hell I can't take it? It's already mine.
Ask him what's the last thing he done done.
He
done done. Oh, hell.
I supposed to got the break from his scary ass, but he didn't give it to me.
Well, he didn't give it to you, huh?
Scary motherfucker.
Now you know.
Oh, he was asking for something. Oh, he was asking for something.
I ain't too proud to ask him, man.
Hey, what the fuck you got the spotlight on this motherfucker for? I want to know what the fuck going on.
You know who this is? This is Old Funky Town, man.
Hey,
Hey, this is tough.
Who you like? Hey, fuck, who you like? Who you like out of Miss Graham and
Nasty.
Okay.
Who is that? Candyman?
No, that's nasty. You know who that is.
Listen, I got a word. Tell Candyman, fuck ass, Bubba Griffin want that.
Oh, well, who you like with the Graham?
I want Bubba Griffin.
No, I'm talking about right now.
You talking about
I don't know who that is.
Nasty and Graham.
You know what we talking about.
Graham?
Yes. He know what we talking about.
How much you want for?
Larry, hold on, Larry, get out there. These motherfuckers asked me out of Graham and Nasty. Who the fuck I want? Y'all on some dope or something?
No, but how much you want?
I want the motherfucking home team.
How much you want?
I want Graham.
How you want something but you ain't betting nothing? How you want something you ain't betting nothing?
You ain't betting nothing.
Keep y'all talking your fucking mind.
Fuck you.
You know what I say? I thought your fucking behind the scenes, goddammit.
Look out.
That's another motherfucker who got retired and watched it. Y'all remember this bird Troy, whatever the fuck his name is, he watched that like a motherfucker. What y'all want to do? Huh? What y'all want to do? Run your Mustang. Run yours. Yeah.
We thought it was Graham, motherfucker. Graham, man. And I ain't got my Graham right. Hey. Kuwait, never see that. Never ever see that in Kuwait. The Middle East, this is the state. Good luck, man.
We some bad motherfuckers.
Hey, you get your thing, you get your thing. You don't spend hours.
Hey, I always take your ass. Hey, my rent. You didn't save me. You pay my rent. How many times I done popped in your motherfucking ass? How many times? You can't tell.
Hey, I'll pop
You can't tell. You can't tell. I've been tying your ass up. Hey, I've been fucked up.
up again. I've been fucking you up. You're a sponsor.
Hey, no, you haven't.
Sponsorship.
No, you haven't.
Sponsorship.
No, you haven't. No, you haven't.
You don't do nothing with sponsorship.
No, I don't.
You the one make me motherfucker. Hey, how many times I done boomed you? Can you count?
I can count.
How many times?
I got you 10 times.
I said, how many times I done got you? And I already.
Hey, hey.
Been fucking ass.
He already fighting. He pound of donuts. I've been hitting him in his ass all night. Look at his mouth. Look at his motherfucking mouth. Look at his goddamn mouth. Hey man, watch your motherfucking mouth. Look at his mouth. Watch your mouth off. Watch your motherfucking mouth off. I've been hitting him in his ass. Watch your mouth off, guys. I've been hitting him in his ass all night. I've been hitting him in his ass all night. Tell him wipe his mouth. Pain free, man. He like pain. You're pain free. You're pain free.
Hey man, you better get out my motherfucking home, boy. You better get out my motherfucking home, boy. You better get out my motherfucking home, boy.
You're pain free.
You better get out my motherfucking home, boy.
He like pain. He like pain. Every time he goes down,
We gon' flip your gift and you hooping tonight,
Man, so, hey.
We gon' flip your
Hey,
gift,
boom, that you can see.
boom my ass.
Now what's gonna happen when you gotta go face down? What gonna happen when you gotta go
You
face
know what
down?
this bitch called nasty?
We don't give a damn.
We gonna put some shit on y'all.
We'll talk to you later, motherfucker. Face down. He gotta go face down.
Face down, ass up.
You heard what the man
Funky town, face down, ass up.
Funky town.
You love pain.
Hey, look here. I tell y'all what, hold on. King B. I've been running on
What the hell?
I've been to Detroit Tuesday.
I'm gonna come out with a Mustang. When you see the Mustang,
Yeah, smack that ass.